Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, it is with sadness that we announce the passing of Lady Moses, who was famous for singing Guma funerals. You know, he liked dressing up, nje public personality, as Tulela, just minding his own business, And Kesana, he recently met up with Ulamiz Guma Awards. He was so happy. He was really happy to have met Ulamiz. Nolamiz was really happy ukuthi they finally met. So he died in a tragic car accident, which leaves people very sad. It leaves everyone sad because people were starting to like him. At first, people didn't like him and stuff, but people were starting to like him manje. And then this is what was posted by Ulamiz on Facebook. So blessed to have met this angel. My heart is broken. My last post on Instagram was literally about him. I, however, ask that people stop sharing the videos of his car accident. Not only is it inhumane and disgusting that someone's death is quick to become content, but I think it is fair on Lady Mo's friends and family to see their loved one along with everyone else who passed on in that tragic accident in that light. May we remember Moses for the love and laughter he shared with us all. We will definitely miss him, and things were starting to look up for him, like meeting celebrities. He was going to be the next big thing, but unfortunately life happened.